Did you know there's a better way to filter your Excel tables? For example, if I'd like to see this sales report filtered by sales rep, product, purchaser, or region, I can start off by going to the Insert tab, click Slicer, and then select which columns I want to filter by. So I'm going to check sales rep, product, purchaser, and region. Then I'll click OK, and it inserts a slicer for each one of those columns. I can then reposition them as necessary. I can resize them, and you'll notice that choosing the right design will make it a lot more user-friendly for either yourself or your colleagues to filter your tables. Once you're happy with the positioning and the design of your slicers, you can start filtering right away. For example, if I'd like to see only the sales records for the Northeast region, I just go to the region slicer, click Northeast, and notice immediately it filters the table. Notice that some of the slicers details are now grayed out, meaning they are no longer relevant now that you have filtered by a region. Now, if I'd like to see a specific purchaser within the Northeast region, notice you can filter by multiple slicers at once. So if I want to see Sports Emporium's information, I slice by the purchaser, click Sports Emporium, and there you go. Now, if you want to bring all your data back, you can simply clear out the filter by clicking the little X on the top right, and all the data comes back. Now, here's the great part. If you have a totals row in your table, as you filter, for example, if I want to see all of Alice's sales, notice that the totals row updates based off of your selection. So if I switch to Frank, notice his total show up. If I switch to Joe, notice his total show up. Or if I want to see all the sales that we've made on a particular product, I can select it and notice that all of the totals update based off of the current filtered criteria in the slicers.